welcome to the first episode of the Coffee Hour, where I'll be showing you a new website, a new tool that is out there that I find extremely helpful. So let's get straight to it. So the first edition is this tailblocks.cc. And if you don't know what tailblocks.cc actually does, it's a website which has a collection of ready-made web components that you can easily use to get up and running and create that website in a few minutes. So let's just get straight to it. So first of all, to be able to use this, let's just go ahead and create a new folder. So we need to show you the use case. I'm going to call this maybe website landing. I just need to create maybe a landing page and show you how super simple it is to actually get started with this. So I'm going to open this up in my favorite code editor, but you can use whichever editor you use. It should just work fine. So I'm going to use Visual Studio Code for this. So let's just go into the browser. And before you do this, Tailblocks is the collection you're going to be using, but it actually uses Tailwind CSS as the front-end library. So just go ahead and type Tailwind. Then what you need is the first link, the installation link. That's all you will need. So go ahead and click on installation. So there are several ways to get started with Tailwind, but I guess the simplest one that you can go ahead and use is the Tailwind CDN. So once I have this script copied, then I'm good to go. So I'll just go ahead and create an index.html right here. Then using Emmet, I'm going to generate some boilerplate code out of the box. And I'm just going to call this maybe my landing page. Landing page. Yeah, something of the sort. Then before even the head, I'm going to paste in the script tag that I got from Tailwind. So that means I'm good to go to start using these particular components. So let me just head back to the website. Then I'm going to go into Tailblocks. So to get straight with my landing page, I would first need a navigation. So right here, I would get my navigation bar already right here, located here in the header section. I can go ahead and look through them. I can go ahead and change my view from PC to tablet and to mobile phone. So I think I like this one. So I can just switch that view. I can change the color scheme. Maybe I want to go with a red or a pink one, or whichever color scheme that I wish to go with, I can easily change it right there. So I think I'm just going to keep it to this purple one. And I can go ahead and also choose if I want this in dark mode or if I want this to be light. So I prefer dark mode. So let me just do that. Then once you have made a decision on that, you can go ahead and click on that and you can copy the code. So if I go ahead and paste this right here, I already have a header. What more do I need? I need some call to action, something. So I can go into this hero section where I already have these landing pages made out for me. I can browse through them and look at which exactly fits the website that I'm trying to build. So let's say maybe I wanted to make an app landing page. So this could work perfectly for me. I'm just going to click on view code, copy to clipboard, and then just go ahead and paste it right there, like that. So all I need now at this point is a footer. So the footer as well should be right here. So I'm just keeping it simple, but as you can see, you can add several components. So let me say, let me just go with this simple footer. Okay, copy that. And yeah, that's so now I can go ahead and open this up using my live what is this called? Live server. Yeah, I can go ahead and open this up, live server. And you'll be able to see out of the the few minutes you have actually been on this particular video, you've been able to generate such a landing page. Yeah. So you can now go ahead and start editing this. So probably what I would need is maybe an app. So this isn't actually how you should actually go about it, because most of the images on maybe some site like Pinterest kind of have like how do you say, they belong to other creators. So you might have issues with copyright and stuff like that. So I would advise you go to maybe a site like Andro to get this, or Unsplash. But I just need an app, so I'm just going to say app 3D something of the sort. App. Then if I head back to the code, should be somewhere here. Okay, so if I go ahead and navigate, I should just find the app right there. So if I head back to my landing page, as you can see, I have a decent landing page for my application. So maybe I just change this to maybe subscribe and whatnot, and I'll be good to go. I'll have something ready. If I had a deadline, then that deadline is crushed. So yeah, that was it for this chilled coffee podcast. Blessed podcast. This chilled coffee session. Hopefully, you got a tip from this, and it should help you get out there much faster. So yeah, thank you for watching this particular session, and of course, I'll see you guys in the next video.